Right, so this gives you everything you'd look for from a Land Rover 90 Defender. For one, it's got style and looks. It's got the technology and the specification, and it's the correct price. What a price this is. Just arrived, 2021, 21 plate Defender 90 SE D250, so it's a 3 litre diesel, 250 horsepower in Eiger grey. This looks, for me, how I'd want it to look. Eiger grey with a full factory black pack. It's got arch extensions, it's got snorkel. It's an SE with extras, so opening roof, clear sight camera. It's been fully colour coded as well, so you'll notice from the bottom section of the vehicle, front and rear is all black. Being an SE, you've got real key features that you'd want from a car like this. You've got the matrix lights, you've got keyless entry, electric memory seats, Meridian sound. Just a real top Defender 90 at an exceptional price point. 20-inch wheels, another upgrade, again in gloss black, just lifting the exterior of this 90. Just serviced by the dealer as well, by the way, so it's just had its service at Land Rover. It's done 24,000 miles. It's still got Land Rover warranty until 2024. It's just a great looking 90, isn't it? Privacy glass. You'll notice you've got the checker plate covers on the light at the rear. Again, I've mentioned the gloss black sections, fixed steps, mud flaps. Everything's in place, and then it's just a real top car, this. We've got the bumper protector at the back as well. We've got a load cover in the back, a little bit of boot space. Of course, you know what the 90s are in the short wheelbase. They do exactly what they need to do. This one looks brilliant, doesn't it? Now, the arch extensions on this car probably extend it front and rear by about 3 inches, so it just beefs it up. You'll also notice we've got the snorkel on there and the checker plating too. The mirror casings, keyless entry, rubber floor mats throughout, full leather interior as well, another nice upgrade on this, but dash cam, clear sight camera, opening roof. It's got the key features that you don't need to go and buy, and a lot of people are buying these Defenders and obviously styling them themselves by adding the arches, by adding the wheels, by adding all the different things like the snorkel. This has already got it, it's in place, it's already got the steps, it's already colour coded. It's a great car. You notice on the bonnet we've got the 90 decal as well in matte black, just finishing it off. And then, you know, again, we talk about key features. This is an SE spec, so it's got blind spot assist into the mirrors. We've got full electric seats for driver and passenger, with memory for driver and passenger, with Meridian sound system, which I think is a must in a Defender. It does make the experience in driving one of these things a little bit better, because you will listen to the stereo, of course. Wireless smartphone interface now is updated in these new Defenders, so if you jump in the car with your phone on you, connected to the car, you can use your Apple and Android CarPlay. It's a real good feature. Again, opening tilt and slide sunroof, and if you look below my hand here, you'll see we've got the clear sight camera, which is just a flick of a switch, goes into a camera which is situated in the aerial at the back of the vehicle. Into the Pivi Pro system, you know, all touch operated, all very easy to use. It is a great 4-wheel drive, so you've got your different 4-wheel drive and terrain settings, navigation, Bluetooth, media interface, slope assist, we'll go through. It's very clever. Wade sensing, energy impact, driving style, tailor the car as and how you wish. And then into reverse, talk about it all the time, you've got your off-road and on-road camera system, reversing camera, full 360, and your digital 3D surround view camera as well. Heated front seats, you've got digital climate control, heated front and rear screens, lots of space in the cab, lovely driving position. And then one thing I didn't mention, well, I mentioned it but I didn't show you, is the seats. Full leather interior in this car just makes it a little bit special. So loads of features to this particular 90. For me, it's the price. I think it looks exceptional value. Just serviced at Land Rover as well, but with warranty, in a lovely condition, it represents a great buy for you. My name's Richard, my number is on the screen. If you want to chat to me about this car, please ring me. Thanks for watching.